Welcome. Today we are going to be talking about methods for solving systems of equations. Here are the three different methods for solving systems of equations. In substitution, you first isolate a variable from one equation. Then you plug the expression it is equal into the other two equations in place of that variable. You then have a subsystem with two variables. Solve it to find the value of the two variables. Lastly, substitute the given values into an equation to solve for the last variable. Next we have elimination, where you pick out two equations from which to eliminate one variable. Now pick out a different set of two equations using only one equation from before to eliminate the same variable. Your result for both are equations with two variables, or, in other words, your subsystem. Solve the subsystem. Substitute the two known values from what you just solved into one of the three original equations to find the value of the last variable. Finally, for matrix, all equations must be in standard-like form. You then enter the coefficients and the constants into the calculator. You will either receive a solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions.
So how do you figure out a plane solution?
If an equation in two variables forms a line, then an equation in three variables forms a plane. The solution is the point at which all three lines intersect. If all three planes do not intersect, there is no solution. If all three planes intersect at a line, there are infinitely many solutions.